Okay, Trish, so I just wrote an equation for a roller coaster, and technically this polynomial goes on forever in the negative direction of x and the negative direction and the positive direction in x. So you need to put some limits on it. And so what I think the easiest thing to do is, for example, go to y equals and put in 20 since it has to start at 20 feet. And then what you can have your students do is calculate and intersect, first curve, second curve, and bam, and you'll find that it's at negative 508. So what I would do is say, like the domain is going to start at negative 5.1, which is going to cause the cause the roller coaster to start at 20 feet. And then I might say end it at 20 feet also, so you could go to the other end and find the domain out there. And it comes out 6.1. And so that's how you can do the domain. And then the range, you can find you want to find the largest max and the smallest min. Now I can't remember what I required, but a lot of times what happens with the students, they come out way too big. And so what I've told them to do is do something like this to the equation. Maybe you want to divide the whole thing by 2, like that. And then, that will allow the equation to be manageable with the inputs, but then you still get to change the the mins and the maxes so that they're within a reasonable amount. And then the students can still factor this, they can multiply it out, they can do the synthetic division on this part and just leave the negative 2. So I think that's the easier way to do the project, as opposed to trying to find the y-intercept and make that equal to 20. So that's what I'm thinking.